Hi everyone, we're back with another fantastic update to the Full Scope Freelancer platform. This time we've introduced countdown timers to the long list of amazing features that you have access to within your account. So if you head over to Marketing and come to Countdown Timers here at the top, you can now create a timer for any time-based sales, promotions, special offers, whatever it might be, and then you can use that timer globally across all of our tools. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to use this template here. I'll come up and give my timer a name. On the left here, I can dial in all of my options for the timer. I can come in and change the style, the font, the colors. And once I'm done, I can just click Save. And I will now have access to this timer, for example, in my email campaign. So if I come over here, we now have a countdown timer element in the email area. So if I get rid of this here, I can drag this into my email campaign. From here, I simply select one of the timers I've created. And now I can let my audience, my customers know that this offer, this promotion, whatever it is, that the clock is ticking. So you can use this on your websites, in your emails, and if you want to use this elsewhere outside of your Full Scope Freelancer tools, you can also copy a code that you can then embed into any external websites or external tools and use there as well. If you have any questions about how to use the countdown timers, feel free to reach out to our team anytime from within your account.